Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about working of single plate clutch assembly. Okay. A single plate clutch assembly consists of a flywheel, pressure plate, and in between there is sandwich clutch plate. Okay. So I'll show you the operation of single plate clutch assembly. So when the driver presses the clutch pedal, what happens actually? How it works? Okay. So there is a release bearing which is controlled by a release fork inside the clutch housing. But here, for your demonstration purpose, a lever is shown which is operated by hand. Now I am pressing the clutch. That means the pressure plates are releasing the pressure from the clutch plates. Okay. Now the clutch shaft rotates freely. You can see the clutch shaft, which is actually in the gearbox, rotates freely. Now when we release the clutch, driver releases the clutch, what happens? Pressure plate keeps pressure on the clutch plate, and clutch plates are sandwiched between flywheel and the pressure plate. Okay. Now if I rotate the clutch shaft, what happens? If I rotate the clutch shaft, all the things are synchronized. Flywheel is rotating with the same RPM, pressure plate is rotating with the same RPM, also the clutch shaft. That means your clutch is engaged. I hope today's topic will clear your doubt about how the single plate clutch assembly works. Thank you.